What's up guys, it's Kevin from K-Squared Fitness. Today I'm going to be breaking down the Romanian Deadlift. Alright guys, so key points of performance into the RDL, the Romanian Deadlift. Before we actually approach the bar, I want to break down with just your body weight so you can master this, because it's the same hip hinging mechanics as a deadlift, and we have to have those mechanics down first. So from the feet are super close, they can even be slightly turned out, but what has to happen is you have to externally rotate and screw your feet into the ground. You're actively squeezing your glutes because you're being active from the feet. So once you get the feet, the second thing to think about is unlocking the knees, and then everything is going back on the hips. The knees are out, the hamstrings are activated, the back is neutral, no buckling here. If you're having a hard time with keeping your back in a good position, take it one step down, get on the floor, hands and shoulders in line, hips over the knees, and get some of these cat and cows so you can feel what it feels like to move your spine into a good position. So we go feet, we go knees, hips back. Feet screwed in, unlock the knees, everything else is hips back. That's the position of the hinge first. So the difference between the deadlift and the RDL is the RDL is working the top half. So you pick it up from a rack already here, and then we can work that top half. Now that we have the bar in our hands, we're going to think about our shoulders, and we'll do that by externally rotating on the bar this way. And you see the difference what that does with my shoulders. Here I'm not active, my shoulders are rounded. Here I pull my shoulders back, and now my shoulders are in a good position. So shoulders, knees, hips, just below the knees, exhale, squeeze the glutes. Shoulders, knees, hips, and you can see this position is super tight. Hamstrings are lit up. There is not any of this business going on here. Rounding here. It all starts from the shoulders, keeping that pin back. Exhale, drive it through. So the deadlift is from the floor, the RDL is from a rack. If you can control and really work the top half, the eccentric, you're going to get a lot stronger at the top half of the pull and strengthen your lats. That's how to do the RDL. Get after it.